Material Evolution is a low-carbon cement provider. We use industrial waste to make our cement. We don't believe there's going to be one material to save the world, but we actually believe it's going to be a multitude of localized waste materials. We're using a process called alkali fusion, which is a non-heat process that forces phase changes on particles.
Materials Evolution is driven by making cement a different way. We don't use calcination high temperature furnaces. We do everything at room temperature with mechanical activation, and that creates a new way of making cement. Our products are about 85% less CO2 than traditional cement, and it also means that through that process we can integrate other historic waste sources as our feedstock.
So our vision for the company is to reduce a gigaton of carbon by 2040. We're not going to do that alone. This is going to be about a partnership model, building with the industry.
The Transforming Foundation Industries Challenge created a new opportunity for us to think differently about how we produce and utilise construction materials. And I think that the way the challenge was structured enabled us to think really holistically with industry partners, with the academic partners in Teesside University, and really challenge the status quo and a different way of thinking about supply chains and material production.
The TFI challenge has been really helpful for us because it's allowed us to iterate faster. It's allowed us to invest more money into R&D that we wouldn't have been able to usually. It's also allowed us to attract more investment. So again, it's a lot more attractive to venture capital and to other people when you have the support of Innovate UK behind you.
I think working with the TFI Challenge team has been great in terms of their support of the project, their linking us with other organisations, their profiling of the project and fundamental support of what we're trying to do and the mission we're on together.
With Innovate UK funding, we've been able to go a lot further and we've been able to invest a lot more into R&D, people from the local area, which has also just allowed us to open not only here as the R&D centre, we've got the factory in Wrexham, we've already started opening a lab in London now as well, so there's true kind of UK infrastructure that we're building.
So for me, it's how do we get the partners in the right place? How do we build our industry connections? Our first factory will produce 150,000 tonnes, which is great, but it's a drop in the ocean in terms of the cement industry. So for us, it's what is that next stage? How do we show and tell that we can scale? And I think that's the exciting journey that we're on, is who and how can we partner with to change an industry?